Remember, remember the 5th of November.
In 1605, conspirators hid gunpowder beneath Parliament to kill King James I. They were caught. No boom. The gunpowder plot failed. Britain kept the bonfires and fireworks for 400 years, but paused displays in World War I and World War II during city blackouts. Wild fact, until 1959, it was actually illegal not to celebrate Bonfire Night. So, should that law have stayed? Or nah? And tell me in the comments below, what do you know about this part of history?